Hello ladies and gentlemen. Hello. Tonight we're gonna make this orange tree beautiful again. It's orange bonsai. It looks terrible because I forgot about it actually. So first of all we're gonna clean that up so it will look nice again. We will remove everything that is dead. And for the next part we're gonna restore the branches, give every branch a new path so it can grow, not like for right now everything is growing to the top. I wanted to spread a little bit more to the sides, so that's what we're gonna do. I don't know if I will talk a lot in this video. Basically we just try to clean that up, so yeah. That was the easy cleanup. There are a few leaves which I don't like. Let's remove everything that I don't want to have. There we go. So let's remove now the wiring. The wires that oh my god, they are in the tree now, which is not good at all. That's, guys, why you always should keep track of your plants. I think we can still figure it out. Okay, I need some tools. Here we go. Yeah, not so good. Or we just try to go from the other side. Maybe that will be easier. Try it that way. So we start up here. There we go. We are losing leaves because you shouldn't do that like in the winter. That's when your tree actually wants to do nothing. So right now it's like the worst time. But the problem is I haven't done it like last year, so we'll just do it now and hope that everything will be fine. Look at that, we are losing leaves, a lot of them. Okay, there's another wire here. Let's remove that one. Nice. Okay, that one was easy. And here we go, first wire. Maybe we will reuse this one. Then we have this big one here again. Remove that one. Yes, I think it works. There we go. There we go. That was already in the tree. There is a big hole. There is a big hole. Oh yeah, and there you see like the wiring. Or you see where the wire was. It somehow destroyed the tree a little bit, but alrighty. There must be another one. Yeah, there's another wire here. Let's remove that one. So I use the wires to give the branch a direction to grow. Otherwise it would just go in every direction. Or as it's happening right now, just go up. Because a tree wants to grow like a tree. So yeah, a tree wants to be big. And what we do with those wires is forbidding the tree to grow in the height. So it stays small, tiny, beautiful. Okay, so we got that. I think we removed all wires. Let's remove this. Boom. Beautiful. I would like to keep this. It looks terrible, I know, but that was my first tree that I tried to do this with. So I planted this tree 3 years ago. Good. I don't want to cut a lot. The only problem that we have we need to give those branches a direction. So the problem that we have with this one here is that he's on the wrong side. That one needs to be on the other side, so that's what I'm gonna try to do now. But I don't know if it will survive. So I will just try. Oh my god, this is actually pretty hard to move. So let's just try it and let's see if the tree survives. There we go. Please, please don't die. So it is on the other side. That's good. Okay. That one is not safe yet, because when we add the wires, I'm actually afraid that it might be not working. Let's put the wires back on. Probably we need like some bigger ones for this dude. I'm scared to use those bigger ones. Let's go with smaller ones. Let's just go and start. Here we go. Here is the beginning. So it's fixed. I'm so scared. I am honestly very scared. Okay. It looks good. We're losing a few leaves, but I hope that will not harm this tree. Okay, here we go. So now it made like a whole turn. Nice. Nice, okay. We get this one. It's okay for now. And we have like those two on top here. Maybe we will cut them off. We have like a branch over here, which is covering this side. We have one down here, we have one here, one here. They're all covering like this area. And maybe we go with this one in this direction. So like in every direction we will have like one branch. The only problem is that this will look terrible. It will be a terrible tree, but it is what it is. Yeah, let's just try to clip it to this branch here. Nice. I think this is good. Okay, so now we will remove this little one on the top, because he's like just taking resources that we don't need. So this one goes away. Let's just remove like a little bit of everything. I don't want to kill this tree. If I'm doing anything wrong, please tell me, because actually I have no idea what I'm doing here. So yeah, that's the new design. We will need a little bit to grow again. Probably next summer we will make it more beautiful then. And let's clean that whole thing a little bit up. Yeah, I need to clean everything. Here we go. Here we go. It's done. Does it look better? Better. Not good yet, but better. I really hope that it will grow like in the next few months, especially in the summer. So for right now, that's how it looks. And I'm honestly pretty happy with the results. So here we have the wiring on this branch. So it takes it like completely down. And we removed another one on the top. And here we just connected this one. So it's not growing like up as it was before. There it is. It's not growing up, it's going to the right and going through this direction. And we have a beautiful little tree. A beautiful bonsai orange. I like it.